Musana.
Kaudhi County Masaya ni Gavana Masaya James Orengo nyiso jalup jatend piny mondo owach weche marigo jo Kenya koloso kinde ika moro e kardaka ma Alego Usonga Weche Gachagua ne okao simbo mar bedo jalup jatend piny Kenya koma winjo ore jo piny to ok diro weche mag athuya kinde ka kinde bende okoni jo Kenya duto ni kod ratiro mar yudo dongruok bedni negigo ombulu ne Kenya Kwanza kata oyo. Gavana no koni weche maidiro kod Gachagua emosemiyo moko kuom jood bura mag ODM obayo kendo oringo tiyo gi piny owacho.
Kisomo gino tinwango ni omera ni has hamano
an gigena polo video ni polo direct omiyo tiye an maudho kod Orengo tani maluwe.
I'm telling my brothers who are in Kenya Kwanza that weaponizing development can bring disaster to a nation, can bring ethnic animosity and tribal conflict. The conflicts in Rwanda and many other places are based on weaponizing either development or politics of the nation. Therefore, those who now assume the offices under our current constitution must make sure they render justice to every Kenyan in every part of the country. And the deputy president should be the last person to talk about shareholding because he took an oath under the constitution and he knows what that oath says. He is somebody, if they are properly elected, can assume the office as the president if there is a vacancy. And for him to talk in that language is treasonous. Because Kenya is a country of free men and women, and we don't want people to play around with our intelligence and the commitment and patriotism of the people of Kenya.